Hello, this is Dave with Liberty Suppressors, and what I want to do today is go over some of the features of our new Regulator rimfire suppressor. Alright, the first thing you're going to notice about the new Regulator is that the rear cap looks different from anything we've ever done before. There's no tool holes in it. It has flutes in it. It's a lot wider than our original rear cap designs. That's because it doesn't do the same job. It's now only purpose on this suppressor is to hold the tube in place, much like the retaining ring on the Mystic X. So this cap is also left-hand threads, and that's done on purpose as well. That keeps it from working loose. Alright, take the cap off. Alright, let's go over a couple of things about the cap. Number one, the cap is made of aluminum. Alright, so it's light. It's plenty strong. It weighs in the grams. Number two, it's got 40 threads per inch left-hand threads in it. Now, the reason we put left-hand threads in this cap is because when you screw this silencer onto a firearm that has a recessed barrel under a handguard, you want the threads on the cap to rotate in the opposite direction. So if there was some sort of issue with tube spin, even though we have wave locked this tube to this core, you're tightening the nut when you're unscrewing the silencer. And here we are, the heart of the suppressor, the core. The core is made of 300 series stainless steel, so it's dippable, it's cleanable and ultrasonic. You can clean it with pins and all that sort of stuff. It's got the rear cap has been split into two pieces from our traditional design. Now it's an insert that's cartridged into the end of the core. We do this to completely encapsulate the blast chamber in stainless steel. That protects the tube from blast energy, makes the suppressor last a lot longer. It also helps with linear alignment. You're also going to notice that it has a new set of baffles. These baffles are engineered for incredible performance on pistols as well as rifles. We're actually getting 44 decibels of reduction pretty routinely with this ammo right here and that gun with this can. We've seen absolute values on the meter at 109.8. I mean, less than 110 dB with a muzzle can is phenomenal, and this one does it. The next thing you'll see is that we've re-engineered the front cap to have a more aesthetically appealing design, which also helps to generate a little bit of sound attenuation. There's a little bit of magic goes in to the cutting of the front cap as well. It does matter how that profile is machined. It will make a difference. The overall package is now completely coated in Type C Cerakote. This is the high temperature graded version that allows it to withstand up to 2,000 degrees. Now bear in mind, this rear cap will melt at about 1250. So if you get this 22 silencer up to 1300 degrees, your Cerakote's going to be fine. The rear cap will melt and drip off of the can before the Cerakote burns off. So that's all the features of the new Regulator. And if you have any questions, just give us a call. We're at 706-661-6911. We'll be happy to take your call. Thank you very much. This is Dave with Liberty Suppressors, and we'll see you soon.